Welcome back to the channel, guys. I get there's several people out there who say credit cards aren't very good. But credit cards are one of the most advantageous things if you know how to use them right. Some people say having a credit card is like playing with fire. Eventually you're going to get burned. I don't think that's true. Set boundaries, have self-control, and you'll be okay. You don't need to worry about getting into debt and getting into trouble on a credit card. Just set boundaries for yourself and you'll be okay with a credit card. A couple things to be cautious of when you're using a credit card. One is be cautious of the average age of your credit card. If you got one credit card when you were 18 and you didn't get another one, or maybe you get 5 more when you're 30, your average age of credit is really going to drop significantly. If you aren't older already, you want to get a few credit cards when you're 18, 19, 20 to keep that average age of credit older. Honestly, as you get older, I feel like once you have 5, maybe max like 10 credit cards, I don't know. Personally, my opinion is you're good enough, you're well enough established. I don't think you need to keep signing up unless you want the sign-up bonus. Then get the sign-up bonus. I have a link in the subscription below. Go ahead, click that link. Second thing I was going to say about being cautious with credit cards is don't overspend. Don't just start spending because you have a credit card. Act like it's cash. Be cautious of it. Plan your budget. Stick to that budget and don't just spend because your credit card says you have a $15,000 limit or whatever. Keep it down. If I could recommend, I would recommend for somebody to get a credit card right when they turn 18 and just you start spending money on there, or have your parents start spending money on there and have them or you or whatever pay it off, and just make sure that you're paying it off, grow your credit. That's what I did for about 4 years, and then I had fairly decent credit. I would have signed up, if I could have, I would have signed up for a couple more credit cards earlier on. I didn't get my second credit card until I think I was 22. And so I would have gotten maybe a couple more earlier on just to have your average age of credit longer and not, if you open a bunch later on, your average age of credit obviously gets smaller. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, click the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel.